Hi guys, I'm Asnith, and today I am going to be bringing you another raw food, not so much a raw food as a raw drink video. Okay, so for the past 2 weeks I was on vacation and it was an amazing vacation. I wish I could tell you that was all due to having the best food, but a lot of it was due because part of it, I'm a Christian. I really just kind of got time to fellowship with others and put God as the center. The other part of that is just being introduced to some wonderful things like the drink that I'm going to bring you today. All right, so the drink that I was introduced to came from a health food store. And so with this drink, it was this size. And in this bottle, it contained turmeric, ginger, lemon, and red pepper. So that's what I'm going to be making for you today. I went and bought my own servings of it because I just figured going forward, it's something that I want to stay with because I felt the impact of it immediately. So just pay attention so you can make your own. All right, so the first thing I did was purchase some turmeric. I cleaned that up. You probably noticed from my nails, there's some orange on it. That's the side of turmeric, but turmeric is so good for you. So I want to use up all my turmeric. This is probably about 1.5 pounds, maybe a little more. I also have some ginger that I've cleaned up. That's probably close to 1 pound. I have 5 lemons, and some red pepper. Okay, so the main thing is I am guessing because I did not get exact estimates from the place where I got it, but you kind of get a good idea. Sometimes, like I told you in my past videos, you have to kind of figure it out yourself. You just, you figure out the recipes. You add a little this, you add a little that, till you kind of get it to where you think it should be. All right, so guys, bear with me with my juicer because this turmeric and this ginger is going to be a lot for my juicer. So you might see me holding it down, but I'm going to get through it quickly. All right. So I'm just going to take this. I want to add this in, but I want to chase it down with a lemon. So you can see it starting to come out. You can like smell this. It's so strong. I'm going to put more in there. I'm going to chase it down with another lemon. Lemon. I'm going to use the rest. Add some ginger. Now I'm going to chase it down with another lemon. Smells so good. Smells so good. Whoa. Oh, that took some muscle. Right, so I'm going to finish it up. So as you can see, I was trying to turn it off, but I ended up turning the light off. Sometimes you just have to laugh at yourself because even though you try and get it right, you just sometimes, make a mistake. It's okay. So I actually have a little funnel. And so for me, I would not add my red pepper in all at once. And you guys, this smells so delicious. So I can just take my funnel. Because I'm going to tell you, you do not need a lot of this deli. It is very strong. Whoa. See how it's filling it up? Can you see it? Just going through my funnel. All right. I'm going to leave my funnel right there. And now I'm going to take the red pepper and I want to just add a pinch of it. And then I'm just going to hold my finger, shake that up. And so you guys, my goal would be to have 1 serving a day. So it is strong, but it's so good for you. You guys, you can feel this all in your cells as you drink this. You can feel it just all over. So you're gonna notice this is in the middle of winter. No sniffles, no cold. I just think it goes great to helping boost the immune. So I hope you learned something. Quickly, I'll go over the ingredients. You want turmeric, you want ginger, lemons, and red pepper. It's that easy, guys. So drop a comment if you have something you would suggest. But until next time, have a great taste.